What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to get into the Gemini crypto portfolio. You can see we have reached the magic $8,000 in the portfolio, buying, dollar cost averaging. Let's go over the 4 cryptos that I think you should hold in your portfolio long term. Now, the first one we're going to get into is Bitcoin, of course, ticker symbol BTC. Bitcoin is interesting. It is pulling back right here from lows of 80,000 all the way up to 95, now rejecting. We are going to see, will we get this $75,000 retest? That would be excellent. If you think about that pullback on Bitcoin, it's not that far back. It would be about a 17% pullback, which we know is possible when it comes to Bitcoin. So watching that level, watch out for 75,000 if we do break 80,000. Next, looking into 50% of my crypto portfolio is currently in Ethereum. And Ethereum had highs of 49.55 and it rejected, which makes sense because you had this rejection right here at 4,900 and this one at 4,900. I have been loading the boat in the crypto portfolio in Gemini right up in here, less than 3,000, trying to dollar cost average, noticing we had this pattern and it broke out, looks very similar, just like Bitcoin, something to pay attention to. Let me know if you are buying Ethereum. The next one that I like is XRP. XRP is very interesting. I have been cautious. I added more shares at these sizes around 1.9, but what you have to pay attention to, there is nothing supporting it except this level right here at 1.61, which is a very thin candle, and that is something that we need to watch. Is XRP going to make lower lows? And if it does, your next support level, if it goes down to 1.6, is 11% pullback. But in crypto world, most likely we would probably see $1 per share, which would be a 42% pullback. I would assume we would need some kind of massive crash for that. Our last one is Solana. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna start adding them. I have been being very patient with them. They made a low of $116 per share. I am waiting for that pullback. Can we get the pullback to $100.10 per share? Looking at this, we have been pulling back. Solana is something that had those highs at 254, very volatile, lows at that 116. I wouldn't be surprised if we break 110 and move down to that $100 price target that we are looking into. My Gemini portfolio is growing because of you guys. Thank you so much for using my referral code, $50 for you, $50 for your friends. You get $50 for each friend that signs up and trades $100 in crypto in their first 30 days. I'll attach this link in the bio below. So I appreciate you guys for using my code.